This site, HSE only took 40 seconds to shut it down. Not because someone failed, but because someone are going to. Tuesday, 7:14 a.m., a UK site manager sent me a WhatsApp voice message. Peter, HSE just shut down one site near mine. I've got 30 workers starting next Monday. I don't know if we are going past. I told him, no explain, just send me some photos. Every stairwell, every edge, every opening. Step 1, stairwell opening, the 4 floors height. You see the concrete all the way below. And what's covering the hole? Just a plywood. No screwed down, no bolted, no fixed, just sitting there. And the one corner was already curling up. And step on the long spot, the bolt will flip and you go with it. 30 workers, starting Monday, carrying materials, walking past that opening every day. And the only thing between them and the 4th floor was wet plywood. No one had failing yet, but HSE don't care about it yet. When they see this, prohibition notice, everyone off-site. I told him, stop using temporary carving, use the engineered edge protection system, mechanically bolted to the structure, side brackets, mesh barriers, no temporary opening, no loose parts, you lay on it, nothing moves. He did it, he passed it. Platform edge, 3 meters high, no rails, no barriers, nothing. The worker carry materials across it every day. One bad step, straight into the concrete. And the HSE published a case earlier this year. One worker was sweeping the floor before going home, and a wall nearby collapsed, pushed him through an unprotected edge, 3 meters high, permanent injuries. He was not taking risks. He was just sweeping the floor. Same problem, same solution. Engineered system, continuous protection, mechanic bolted to the stair or clamped to the stair, post locked, barrier first fixed. Installed them within 4 hours, not next week, but today. He installed there, we designed here. That's the point. The real problem is not the missing barriers. The real problem is everyone knows the problem is, and no one fixes it. When HSE leaves, site manager relax. We'll fix it next Monday. Then next Monday becomes to next week. Next week becomes to never. You know what? HSE published another case this year, July 2. Prohibition notice issued. Stop all work at height until edge protection is installed. 34 days later, a worker fell from a ladder. Multiple fractures, permanent disability. 34 days, enough time to fix everything. Nobody did. That site manager could be you. I'm not being cruel, I'm being honest. You know what I told that site manager on WhatsApp? I'm not selling you edge protection, I'm selling you sleep. Because right now, you already know which opening is temporary. You already know which edge still isn't protected properly. And every morning driving to the site, you are hoping today isn't the day HSE shuts you down. Engineered perimeter protection changes that, not because it looks compliant, because it's fixed, inspectable, traceable, and it stays protected after inspectors leaves. 3 days later, he sent me one message. HSE checked every edge, every stairwell, every opening. Then they walked away. No shutdown, no fines, nobody injured. HSE won't warn you. They shut sites down. Tell me checklist, and I will send you the same HSE self-inspection checklist I've used for 18 years.